Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You cannot install Google Play natively on iPhone, so start with a workaround. First, confirm your iOS version and free storage. You'll need space for a browser session and possible downloads. Next, sign into your Google account. Make sure payment info is set if you'll buy apps. Finally, choose a method now. Use the Google Play website for purchases or pick a browser-accessible cloud Android service to run apps. Once chosen, move to the setup steps immediately. Next, set up the cloud Android or browser emulator so Play works like an Android device. Open Safari and access the cloud Android service you picked. Sign in and create or start an instance. Once the virtual device boots, grant permissions it requests. These let apps use mic, camera, and storage. Then open the Play Store inside that virtual Android and sign into Google. This is how you install and run Android apps remotely. Make sure your network is stable for smooth streaming. Finally, install apps via the cloud Android Play Store as you would on Android. Tap Install, wait for the remote download, and then launch the app to test responsiveness. Use Wi-Fi for the best experience. If an app won't open or is sluggish, restart the virtual device, clear your browser cache, or pick a different server region in the provider's settings. One key tip: if authentication or Play purchases fail, recheck your Google payment info and sign out, then back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.